So like 1 second ago, all of Allambie just heard like the loudest lightning strike ever. I swear. And I got it on recording because I was dumb enough to go outside and film some slow-mos of it. But anyway, I made some memes out of it and here it is. So, hope you guys like it. Don't worry, we'll be fine. Like an earthquake. The window is like an earthquake. Right, so if you edit your own videos, you'll know how hard editing is, and it's like 9:30 at night, so I kind of want to go to sleep now. So I'm going to stop editing and just upload it. And of course, you know what happens? The lightning has to cut the power. Hey, yo, guys, I'm stuck in my room. Tune in next time to see Xavier's full survival rate. The window is like... Oh my gosh, I got it.